Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have CUBOT P80 Pro and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. In the first step we must open our calendar application where we can change view for a month to be easily to add. And now we tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 23 of April. There this plus icon and event. First we can add title of our event, what you need. There we can add event to our group or member, friends, family member group or something like that on Gmail. We can add our event to their calendar. There we can set when event starts and finish, or by the switch we can set it will be all day. Repeat if we need. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference in the day when event starts. We can add location of our event, notification to that, maybe 1 week before 9, and we can add more than one. We can change color which we see in our calendar for maybe this one. We can add description and attachment to that. After we custom all we need and prefer, we press save, and there we have our event. Thanks for watching, bye!